Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Imran. I have seen your resume. Please introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Imran. I had completed my graduation from RSR Engineering College. I am a passed out. I'm a 2024 passed out. I am from the stream of the Tripling with an aggregate percentage of 72%. I am good in DevOps tools like GitHub, Maven. Next, release tools like Jenkins, Kubernetes, and Docker. Sir. Coming to my habits, I would like to play badminton, and I would like to watch movies when I felt bored. That's all about me, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Do you have deployed any projects till now?
No, sir.
Projects.
No, sir.
Okay. Let me ask few questions in the Linux. How much rate yourself in the Linux out of 5?
4, sir.
4. Okay. What is the purpose of the dig command?
Sir, dig command is used for troubleshooting the DNS issues, sir.
Okay. What is the purpose of the ping command?
Ping command, sir, there are two uses, sir. First, it is used to check the internet connectivity. Next, it is used to check the connection between the two servers, sir.
Okay. Let me ask few questions in the GitHub also. Can you explain the merge conflict concept? What is the situation it will be generated the merge conflict, and how to resolve that merge conflict?
Sir, when we are when we have already some files in the repository in both the remote and the local, if someone changes the files in remote repository and at the time in the local also, when we want to push the changes from the local to the remote repository, there we had a merge conflict, sir. Either we can edit the file, and first we have to pull the code which is in the remote repository. After that we have to edit the file. We can manually solve the merge conflict. After that we have to add, commit, and push this, sir. By this we can solve the merge conflict.
Okay. What is the difference between git reset and git revert?
Git reset, sir.
Git reset and git revert.
Sir, git reset is
don't explain what is git reset, what is git revert. I want only difference only. Don't know? Okay. Just go through that. What is the purpose of the tagging, git tagging?
Sir, when you want to mention particular release, sir, we use git tagging. And other use, sir, when you want to store our entire code, we use git tagging, sir. By using git tagging, we can store our source code, sir.
Okay. What is? Can you let me ask few questions in the Docker also? Images, official images and custom images is the where is the location it will store?
Sir, first of all, we have to store the images in the Docker, in the registry, sir. Registries, they may be a public registry or private registry. The public registry is nothing but a Docker hub, and the private registry we have AWS ECR, sir. ECR.
Okay. What is the Docker daemon in Docker architecture?
Docker daemon is nothing but a hidden process running in the background, sir. It manages the containers, images, volumes, and networks.
Okay. Do you have knowledge of the Docker volumes and networks?
Yes, sir.
Docker. Can you mention the difference between bind volumes and named volumes? What is the difference between named volumes and bind volumes?
So, in named volumes, there is a persistent storage of the data. All the permissions and access is all it is managed by the Docker only, sir. But when you want to store the data in some different repository, for example in opt, we have to store our data. Then that time we use the bind volume, sir.
Okay. What is difference? But I want difference. I don't want what is bind, what is named volumes, what is bind volumes. What is the difference?
Sir, it is named volumes, it is managed by the Docker only, sir. Whereas the bind volumes we have created manually. We have to create a directory. After that we have to mount that path in the container, sir.
Other than that difference? No. Okay. Do you know Docker networks?
Yes, sir.
What are the different networks available in the Docker?
Sir, we have NUN network, bridge network, and host network, sir.
What is the default network?
Default network is bridge network, sir.
Is it possible to disconnect or connect with the host network?
No, sir. It is not possible to disconnect and connect to the host network, sir. When you want to run a container on the host network, sir, at the time of the creating the container, we have to create in host node only, sir.
Okay, let me ask few questions in the Kubernetes. How much rate yourself with the out of 5 in the Kubernetes?
5, sir. 4, sir.
4. What is change and tolerations?
Sir, it is a concept of the manual scheduling. When you have to manually schedule a node on the, when you have to schedule a pod on the particular node, we use the manual scheduling, sir. The taints and tolerations is comes under the manual scheduling, sir. First we have to apply a taint on the worker node. After that we have to mention the toleration in the pod definition file, sir, manifest file.
Is it possible to schedule the data node? It is possible to schedule pod on the data node?
Sir, can you repeat
Is
this,
it
sir?
possible to schedule the pod on data node?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Do you have any questions?
Sir, rate me feedback, sir.
You have to improve on the Kubernetes. Okay, no? In advanced controls, you need to improve. You are very good on Linux, Git, and Docker. You need to improve a lot on the Kubernetes. Okay, no? And also you are explaining what is what, but you don't know about what is the difference between what is you don't know about differences. Okay, no? You need to concentrate on that. Okay, no?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.